Shit, we on this motherfucking the Texas Chainsaw with it today, nigga. We finna try to escape from these bitch ass family members around these hoes. I'ma snatch off on their ass, no belt.
Shit up then. Breach come out at night. What? They got how that nigga that chase the gas through the cracks and shit.
I can make this.
Oh, you baby boy was gone, man. I ain't even see them out.
I think I can make it.
I can open those doors with this.
The others.
Them niggas scared the shit out of me out there.
This is what I'm talking about. Ah, that's how that
Danny,
goes.
over here. Oh, Danny, I thought you were dead.
What the fuck are you pouring on me, man? You done dry wasting some help with your goof ass. Leave me, yo stupid ass. I don't need nobody following me, nigga. I walk alone around these hoes.
Oh no, they got you.
Thank you.
I won't let them get away with this.
Got my hood out my head, I walk alone. I don't need no friends. Hey, shit, you follow me, I will back door your stupid ass. Go up there. Yeah, go up there with your goof ass. Nah, go up there. You feeling good, nigga. You feeling bold about yourself.
This.
Go up there. Khaki pants. Yeah, go up there.
You can't hide from me. You left a trail.
I see them. Do they see me?
Okay, stay quiet. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that.
Bring your motherfucking ass over here. Yeah, we'll be getting style.
Better move now. I think.
I gotta find a new way fucking up and shit.
That'll do it.
Come on, we getting through this house. I ain't gonna bout. She bring her nasty ass back up here, niggas. I got something for her. Shit, I need a lockpick first.
I gotta pay attention. Who knows where those freaks are? Sonny, Jesus, I'm glad you're here, man.
You ain't getting out. There's no way out.
Oh my God,
It's them
That nigga ass.
from the campsite.
Oh, that nigga is ass.
okay.
Maybe they left.
Somebody done turned the generator off.
I got this.
Yeah, open that gate. He trying to let us out to his home. Gee, open that gate. I got that knife for his ass. Don't worry now. I got your back, nigga. I got your back.
Finally.
Got like, oh, I'm gonna let him get your stupid ass.
Gotta be careful.
That bitch open. Shit, that bitch open. Shit. Shit, nigga, we out there, ho, no belt. Beats come out at night. What? Beats come out at night. What the fuck? Like, look at this. Oh, you got this stupid ass coat. He got on this tight ass pen. Nigga, hell nah, that nigga gave the bitch. He got some booty shorts. Out these hoes. They got Leatherface, old ass nigga, stupid ass hoe. Okay. Oh yeah, I nigga had a real life escape artist around this hoe. Real life escape artist around this bitch.
Oh, that looks helpful. I can open those doors with this.
I was gonna get two of these bitches.
Hey, Danny.
Damn, boy, that bitch scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, man, I remember how this works. Let's stay close.
That bitch ass nigga.
Okay.
I gonna use that.
I think I
How
got
ass
it.
nigga wanna sell my trade? It's okay. I'll leave his ass for dead. With this bitch ass.
Thank you.
This looks familiar.
Take my ass upstairs. Fuck these niggas.
Might fit in the door.
No doubt. Damn, while on my back and shit. Damn, boy, get back. Yeah, look off my back. Go up there. Let your stupid ass go up there by your damn self too. I hope they chase you.
What the hell is wrong with these people? This isn't happening. This isn't happening. Snap out of here.
I got to do like a free song. Stupid ass.
Just what I need to get some strength
Yeah,
back.
shit, you is not using my shit, shot. You got, oh, they ain't see a nigga. They close, bitch. Come on, nasty shoes that and go over there. Shit, take your ass somewhere else.
You know, we could have been friends in a different life.
Yeah, how ass nigga still in the bush? Yeah, damn, go run somewhere. Shit, go do something. Go do something. Shit. good. God damn, boy, how the fuck this hoe come back here, man? Somebody must have been already back here or something. Damn, with this shit all up on me and shit, I can't get no goddamn work. I don't know.
I guess I can't save you after all.
Mariah, stop, man.
I like that. I like that. I like that.
God damn. This house here. God,
was arrested in 1967 for aggravated assault and larceny and was sentenced to 5 years in prison. After his release, Omar Pauly was implicated in a string of incidents outside the clinic. He was arrested again, but managed to escape authorities.
man, get your ass down. Yeah, I was trying to finish my goddamn meal. Little Faye, Cook, and Johnny.
What happened?
What the hell happened?
I only died because the sissy bitch ass leg, and I could have got up out that house.
Leland, I'm right here.
Hey, no, did my toolbox.
Honor, you're hurt. Stick with me. Please lead somewhere good.
They're here. Stay calm.
What do we have here? What is this?
Gazer.
Stay away from me.
Go for high school prom 23.
Okay, stay calm. Oh, finally. They left. I need to find the others.
Hey, what?
Oh, what's this?
He's gotta help me.
Who the fuck is that then? They're like that.
This looks promising.
You get away from me.
You shot the wall.
I think I'm okay. For now. I gotta be more quiet.
Say what? Shit, she got that ass. Oh. Double G, double.
I think I lost him.
Oh, good. Take all that somewhere else, nigga.
I'm gonna see your
Oh, bro.
insides before
I
this
can only
night's
fight two
through.
niggas.
You're all gurgle and no guts. I thought you were tougher than that. Why are they doing this?
Oh yeah, Connie,
Leland,
I'm
thank
gonna go
goodness you're
distract.
still here. They'll be back. I'm sure of it.
Ah, shit, that done got down her ass. No, Marcela. They
Hey,
done
what?
got her stupid ass. They done got Marcela.
Huh?
Marcela.
Why won't they leave me
Oh,
alone?
Damn, boy, they leveling his old ass up.
want to
No,
play with that? Oh, hey. Oh, everybody's gonna have a baby. Ain't gonna be able to do shit. Yeah, yeah. Like that. Pop, 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 pop. Uh,
This'll work.
whatever you want. Hey, what, Emmy? Sunday, 9 p.m. Oh, yeah, I'm on that. This Sunday? I'm on that. The Last of Us, season 2. So I still got HBO on me.
Is that human?
when that hoe come out.
Oh God.
Sunday.
Sunday. This Sunday?
Yeah, so. Oh shit, I still got this random person shit on my shit. Hey, hey, man. Oh, it is. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. But I will be watching that show on Richie.
You said what?
But I don't know who HBO Max I got. But I will be watching that show on Richie.
No, bro. I've been having that house on the roof since then. Well, please don't tell me
I
this.
don't even know this shit. I'm gonna say Michael.
No cap, Donald. Donald. Better get your stupid ass out of the way.
Man down! 11:30. Pip in distress.
You retarded. You retarded. You retarded. Get down there. What wrong with a nigga ass? Be gone.
It come out. Yo, it come out this Sunday, April 13th. Oh, Deanna and them shit. I'ma tell you.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
You get that hoe hooked up. Look, I still fuck with you, but if I didn't, yeah, no, I'll change the bag.
Just go away. Please.
Just told you I ain't gonna tell them, close your lip. Yeah, they gave it to me. They know I was using this shit. I just told her I'm feeling shut up. You wanna man, fuck you.
Ah, shit, that ain't my fault.
Okay, he been blaming me. Oh, they bought it off and just fuck off. This nigga 400 in the hole. This nigga down there dead.
I ain't going down without a fight. Wow, whoop cook ass, but this nigga stabbed the shit out of me. I wasn't going down without scratching around me. How you?